Hey everybody, it's Zori from OneScales. In today's video, I'm happy to share with you yet another Shopify cool tool that we built for you guys for free. And this is called the Shopify Cart Builder. And what it does, very simply put, is it allows you as a store owner or as the store itself to create a cart pre-filled with products that you want, and you can just give it to your customers. They can click on the URL or visit it. They can also scan a QR code, and then once they go to that, they'll have all of the products in their cart very simply by just visiting a URL, and you can take them either to the cart page directly or you can take them directly to the checkout page. It's kind of like the buy button if you're familiar with it, but you can actually do a lot of products. You can select what you want. We made a simple tool for you to be able to embed it in your store very easily. It takes about 5 minutes or less to do it. It's not that technical. It is a little bit technical, but this is what this video is for, to help you with it. Okay, so let's show you what's going on. So for this video, we actually created a demo store. We have a demo store. It's a fake store with fake products. And we actually created a special tool for you guys, which you guys will be able to embed. Very simply put, it lists all of your products. These are all the products in your catalog. If you have 20, you have 500, it'll list it. Currently, this tool is limited to the first 1,000, but you can actually change the code pretty easily, or you can talk to us. We can try to help you with that. So very simply put, it'll list all of their products. So what you want to do is if you want to create a cart with one or multiple products, you'll go here and you'll find the products. For example, I want this one, and I want when they visit the URL to add 2 of this. And then if I go here, for example, to this one, then 1 of this. So I've checkboxed the 2 products that I want to add. Now I can specify, do I want to send them directly with that cart to the cart page or to the checkout page? I can specify it. For example, the cart page. Do I have a coupon code? I can actually put the coupon code that you actually set up in the back end. If you have a coupon code, you can actually add it. You can automatically apply a discount or not. You can leave it blank. And once you finish it, you're going to click on build right here. And very quickly, it's going to create a special URL and a QR code. So all you have to do is give this URL or give this QR code to your customer. Once they click on it, for example, if I go here, I'm going to type it in. And it's going to take me with 2 of this and 1 of this, exactly what I selected. This goes to the cart. And if I actually go here to, here to the checkout, if I do the same thing right here to the checkout, let's go right here, build URL, go to the checkout, and I type in here the URL, it'll actually go and do the same thing, but send them to the checkout. Now you can use the QR code right here. You can actually scan it, or you can right click and save it, and you can give it to someone. You can print it out on a flyer. You can do whatever you want. That's it. It's very simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to show you right now how you can actually add it to yourself. Okay, add it yourself. So very simply, there's a few steps you need to do. This is a little bit technical, but not too crazy. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you're actually going to have to add a new page to be able to view it, just like this page right here. Okay, so how do you do that? Right here, what you're going to do is, first of all, we have a GitHub as well. So everything in this video is also going to be an article on OneScales and also on our GitHub, so you can actually read the instructions or view this video. Okay, so very simply, what are you going to do? You're going to go to your backend, obviously make your backups. Make sure if you don't know what you're doing, make a backup. Always make backups before you do anything. Backup, download it, save it to your computer, etc. What you're going to do is you're going to go to customize. You're going to customize your theme. I recommend to do it on a temporary theme. And if it's okay, then you can set it live. What you're going to do is you're actually going to go to pages, create a new template. We're going to create a special template, which we're going to put special code in just for this specific functionality. For example, we're going to call it Cart Builder. Okay, and I'm going to do number 2 because I've actually created already number 1. And I can do it based on the default page, Cart Builder number 2. And I go here, and now I have a new page that doesn't have anything on it. I'm going to add a new section called Liquid. Liquid is basically Shopify's code. It's called Custom Liquid. I click here, and inside, once I click here, inside, I'm actually going to copy paste the code from my GitHub right here. So I'm going to go here. There's a link right here, or if you go to the main GitHub, it's called Shopify Cart Builder.liquid. Both are the same exact link. What you're going to do, you click on it right here, and you just click on the copy right here. Copy everything right here. Very simply put, it builds what you saw. You can verify the code. Obviously, you can check it out. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to just paste it right there. Make sure it's okay. And if it looks okay, I'm going to save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back and I'm actually going to create the page. So we created the theme, the code. Now we have to assign it to a specific page. So I'm going to click here on pages, create a new page, for example, Shopify Cart Builder, and I already created one. Or if you didn't create one, you just click on add right here. For example, Shopify Cart Builder right here. And I'm going to select the theme that I just created, Cart Builder, in this case, number 2. And I'm going to click on save. And if it's visible right here, I can do that. Click on view page. And that's it. It's all here. Everything's good. I can use it, select, put the quantities. I can select more than 2. I can select 5, 10, etc. And fill up my information. Click on build URL. I'll get the URL and I'll get the QR code and you're good to go. As always, if you have any questions with this functionality or anything else that we've built or discussed or made videos or taught, let us know. OneScales is here to help you guys to create good content for you guys, save you time, do things you couldn't do before, save you money, save time, just teach you. And we're here also to learn from you guys. So if you have any questions, any suggestions, please write in the comments on YouTube, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on onescales.com. Ask us questions. If you did like it, if it helped you, just say hello. Say, this helped me. Really appreciate it. Or I need this, or I need that, or I have a variation, or anything like that. It really, really helps us, and we want to help you guys. So please like, please subscribe, please share. If you did like it, it really, really means a lot to us and it helps us grow. We're trying to do this full time, and we need to, get your guys' feedback and grow. And it means a lot if you guys can share with others. Thank you very much. Much appreciated.